This is fit for a 2020 and beyond Kia Telluride with factory installed flush side rails. We previously outfitted the vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium Wing Bar Evo base roof rack system. And here we're featuring the Thule Motion XT XL 18 cubic foot rooftop cargo box. This box measures 84.5 inches in length, 36 inches in width, and 17 inches in height. It's featuring the black gloss finish. It's constructed of automotive grade ABS plastic for long-term impact resistance, rigidity, and durability. It is dual-sided opening, accessible from passenger and driver's side. Locks and keys are included. Mounting hardware is also included to connect to both Thule bars and many other aftermarket crossbars. Excellent aerodynamic performance, minimal wind turbulence at the front of the box. Ideal fit on this vehicle, no contact or interference with the rear antenna and rear fully opened hatch. Overall excellent proportions. The box weighs in at 46 pounds. Overall height on this specific vehicle is 7 feet 8 inches. This box can accommodate skis measuring up to 200 centimeters. For complete details and overview on this box, please see our video that's specific to the Motion XT overview, where we cover all the aspects of the box in complete details. For this item and the full line of Thule products, see the link in our video description for complete details.